up, healthy people? It's Ange with Less Health with Ange, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, creamy cashew sauce. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's start with some ingredients.
I'm doing this song for my people. I'm doing this song for my people. I'm doing this song for my people that was always down and hung around.
For tools, what you're gonna need here.
First to my mama, the woman that I honor. Help me down with.
Alright, so let's go ahead and get started.
I was hard to handle, always up to scandal. Taught me about these girls, told me mind my manner. 1111 South Street, ghetto Kenner Manor. Mama told me one day I would speak in front of panels. 20,000 people, maybe 40 want the answer. Wanna know my story, who I am and where I come from. A lot of kids ask, did I ever pray? I tell them yes I did because my mama paid the way. And she always told me I would be much bigger than my father. Be a man and lead the people, you the one they supposed to follow. I took in every word, stuck them to my nerve. I just want to fly, kinda like a bird. About my city, cause there's more for me to conquer. If I didn't leave it, eat me up just like that Cookie Monster, so I love.
Alright, and there you have it. So there's a lot of different things you can use with this. You can use it as a dip, salad dressing, pasta sauce. The options are limitless. It's delicious. It's simple. Give it a try.